TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 2 p.m. Eastern time on Monday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We got markets hanging around positive territory. S&P's right now positive by 15 points, trading at 2870. We've got the Dow Jones positive by 203, trading at 25,832. NASDAQ positive by 79 points, trading at 7831. Gold contract basically flat at 1538. We were as high as 1564 last night when we saw markets in negative territory. Notes and bonds, the 10-year negative 2 ticks at 130.28. The 10-year hitting, I believe it was 1.44% yield last night. We'll pull up that chart in a moment. The 30-year negative 1 tick at 165.16, and the dollar index with some strength, up 410 ticks at 97.940. We'll start things off. We're going to start it off with the chart of that 10-year yield, and there it is, the low. If you want to look in a refinance, folks, now may be good. I'll get it out. Now may be a good time. We could be going lower, but when you got a 10-year sitting at 1.44%, you're going to be looking at a 30-year about 2 percentage points above that. So anywhere right around 3.5 to under that level right now. 10-year sitting at 1.52%. Jumping over to the indices, starting it off with the Dow. Quite an acceleration from the lows we had last night. Lows Sunday night, the futures open in the Dow were under 25,300, and it doesn't take long. We almost make it up to 26,000. We reach a high at 5:30 this morning of 25,973. Right now, you have the Dow trading at 25,800 on the dot. NASDAQ 100 trading at 75.50. Early this morning, we were up there as high as 76.17. S&P 500 currently trading at 28.67. Again, we're as high as 28.87, so you're about 20 points higher early sessions, but a far cry from where we were early last night at 28.13. Crude oil, talk about volatility in both directions. Sunday night, the crude oil futures open up at $53 about. We trade up $2 to above 55 at about 9:30, and since the market's been trading, crude trading lower, we're now at 53.69. Gold contract, basically inverse of the market. We reached a high last night of 1564.90. Right now, gold trading at 1539, and the euro-US dollar trading at 111.04. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Dave White coming up right now with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien wraps things up live from 3 till 5. Should be an exciting couple hours to finish up this market. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up right now.